Chapter 4 Onam, the Harvest Festival of Kerala. Before we read, Onam is the biggest and the most important festival of Kerala. The people of Kerala celebrate the festival of Onam with joy and enthusiasm. There is a popular legend associated with it. Let us read the story and learn more about this festival. Since ancient period, festivals are part and parcel of human lives. They bring changes and give us relief from the monotonous routine of our daily life. To children, festival means new clothes, good food, and decorated houses and markets. Each festival has a story behind it. Many legends are associated with almost all our religious festivals. Our country is famous as the land of festivals. We celebrate different festivals all around the year. We have our national festivals, cultural festivals, and religious festivals. Some festivals are celebrated all over the country, while there are some other festivals that are celebrated in certain parts of the country. Onam is one such religious festival. It is the biggest festival of Kerala. Kerala is a small state situated on the southern coast of the country. The people here depend mostly on farming and fishing for their livelihood. Onam is their harvest festival. According to the lunar calendar, the festival of Onam falls in Shravan Bhadrapada, that is around August-September. During these months, nature is at its best. The rains are over, the trees look fresh and clean, and there is greenery all around. The days are sunny and the air is refreshing. The paddy is freshly harvested. It is a time for celebrations as it is time for Onam. The story behind Onam goes as follows. Mahabali, the king of Asuras, was the king of Kerala. He was very strong and powerful. His subjects were very happy under his rule. Indra, the king of the Devas, was jealous of Mahabali's popularity. He feared losing his throne to Mahabali. So he went to Lord Vishnu and sought his help in destroying Mahabali. Lord Vishnu agreed to help him. He took the form of a dwarf Brahman called Vamana and went to the palace of Mahabali. The soldiers took him to the court. Seeing a holy man, Mahabali welcomed him. Vamana said, "I have heard about you, that you help everybody. I have also heard that you are a friend of the poor." "How can I help you, Vamana?" said Mahabali. "I shall do whatever I can to fulfill your wish." "Rajan, I am a Brahman and my needs are few. All I want is a piece of land, as much as I can cover in 3 steps. "Your wish will be granted. But what will you do with such a tiny bit of land?" Mahabali asked in surprise. Vamana said nothing. He only smiled, and the next moment he started growing in size. He grew and grew. He grew until he was as big as the universe. In 2 steps he covered the entire earth and the heaven. Then he turned to Mahabali and said, "Rajan, now that I have covered the whole earth and heaven in 2 steps, tell me where I can put my 3rd step." Mahabali realized that the Vamana was none other than Lord Vishnu in disguise. But he could not go back on his word. "Take your 3rd step and place your foot on my head," he said. Vamana put his foot on Mahabali's head. He pushed Mahabali down, down, and down until he reached Patal Lok, the hell. Then Vamana said, Mahabali, you have always fulfilled the wishes of the people. Now I shall grant you one wish. Mahabali said, I want to be allowed to visit my people once a year. Your wish will be granted. Hereafter, you can come to visit your people during the Onam. So, in order to welcome their king Mahabali, the people of Kerala celebrate Onam. He visits his kingdom once every year at the time of Onam. Preparations for the Onam festival begin many days in advance. People clean their houses and plaster their courtyards with cow dung. Two little well-decorated mounds of earth are placed in the center. These mounds represent Mahabali and Lord Vishnu. The women make flower rangolis at the entrance of the homes. Some people also use different colors along with flowers. The festival of Onam is celebrated for 10 days. A family worship is held and prayers are offered. All the members of the family wear new clothes and give gifts to one another. Prayers and pujas are followed with lavish feast with sweet dishes. Besides the family functions, many social functions as well as sporting events are also held during these 10 days. During these social functions, performances of Kathakali, the classical dance of Kerala, are held. Kathakali dancers enact mythological stories with the help of traditional music instruments. Among sports events, the most exciting one is the snake boat race. Long and sleek boats, rowed by many people, take part in it. Thousands of spectators come to watch this race. Glossary: part and parcel, essential part, monotonous, dull, legends, myths, associated, connected, situated, located, coast, seashore, farming, agriculture, livelihood, source of earning, lunar, related to moon, refreshing, fresh, energizing, paddy, rice plants, harvested, reaped, subjects, people of the kingdom, jealous, envious, popularity, fame, sought, asked for, dwarf, person much below normal size, tiny, very small, universe, whole world, entire, whole, rangolis, decorations made with flowers, lavish, generous, enact, perform, mythological, mythical, traditional, conventional, exciting, thrilling, spectators, viewer.